has something very important to print. Naturally, she wouldn't choose to print her project using anything other than a high-performance Epson printer. And most importantly, she always uses genuine Epson ink. Unlike compatibles, Epson manufactures its ink in immaculate clean rooms. Each Epson cartridge contains specialized features, including smart valve technology to release an even flow of ink, producing superior prints that are always instant dry, smudge, fade, and water resistant. With Epson's total focus on top quality materials and best-in-class manufacturing, it's no surprise that Epson prints can last up to 200 years in an album. So why risk disappointment? For the best results, always use genuine Epson ink. Designed for excellence, Epson printers and supplies always make the perfect match. Print smart, genuine Epson ink and specialty paper. Designed for excellence, delivering superior true-to-life print quality. Reliable, hassle-free printing. Instant dry, smudge-resistant ink. And prints that last up to 200 years. Excellent job, Anne.
Thank you.
For more information, visit Epson.com. Epson, built to perform.